Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Diff lock in your Land Cruiser. Differential lock is a powerful feature that ensures all wheels receive equal power, which is crucial for maintaining traction when you're off-road. Many Land Cruisers come equipped with front, center, and rear differential locks, each serving a specific purpose to enhance your vehicle's capability on difficult surfaces. Knowing when to engage your diff lock is key to safe and effective off-roading. You should only engage it when you are stuck or when you anticipate a significant loss of traction, such as in deep mud, soft sand, or on very steep, slippery inclines. It's vital to remember never to engage your diff lock on hard, dry surfaces, as this can cause serious damage to your vehicle's drivetrain components. To engage your differential lock, first ensure your vehicle is either stopped or moving at a very slow speed, generally under 5 miles per hour. Next, shift your Land Cruiser into four-wheel drive low range. Then, simply press the appropriate button for the specific differential lock you wish to engage, whether it's the front, center, or rear. You'll usually see an indicator light confirm activation. Here are some important tips for using your diff lock effectively. Always disengage the differential lock as soon as you regain traction or reach a stable surface. Avoid making sharp turns while the diff lock is engaged, as this can put excessive stress on your drivetrain. For the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular Land Cruiser model, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.